Alright, there's a new microblogging platform in the market called KOO, the Made in India, the Atmanirbhar alternative of Twitter. The platform has been in existence for a few months now, and many politicians and celebrities are using this Made in India alternative. Last year, the Government of India hosted a Atmanirbhar App Innovation Challenge, and the KOO app came out triumphant in its category. The platform has been created by the developer duo Mayank Bidwatkar and Aparme Radhakrishna. They have also created a Quora Live question and answer app called Vocal, where answers are given in audio or video form by subject experts. Aparme and another friend, G. Raghunandan, previously created a platform called Taxi for Sure, which was later acquired by Ola Cabs for $200 million in 2015. The color scheme of this platform is yellow and white, and its mascot is a yellow bird, which kinda reminds me of the yellow duck from Tom and Jerry. Talking about the features, they are quite similar to that of Twitter. You can post your thoughts by writing microblog or by sharing an image, video or audio. Only difference is that in KOO you get a 350 character limit, whereas in Twitter you can post your thoughts in only 280 characters. Apart from that, you can follow other users to get updates. Also, just like Twitter, you can like, comment and reshare other users' content on the platform. But the major USP of this platform is its linguistic aspect. Well, according to the interview given by the duo to the Financial Express, they told that when they were studying about the content available on existing microblogging platform in Indian languages, they realized that there's very little content available. So to Indianize microblogging and making it relevant in our vernacular country, they created KOO, which currently supports 5 languages: Kannada, Hindi, English, Tamil and Telugu. And in future, they will add Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kashmiri, Marathi, Konkani, Malayalam, Meitei, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit and Urdu. And as of today, it has over 40 lakh plus users. Many politicians and celebrities jumped ship to KOO, and with them people started migrating to the KOO app too. They did this to support the Prime Minister's Make in India campaign and the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. But there's another big reason why this mass exodus is happening. Few days ago, Government of India sent a notice to Twitter, but they left the message unchecked. One tick only, no blue ticks. In short, they didn't respond. The government was expecting Twitter to remove over 200 tweets related to the ongoing protests and deletion of more than 1000 accounts flagged by the national security agencies. One thing I want to make clear is that you can't just post anything on Twitter. If it may hurt or disturb a country's peace, provoke people, hurt another people's sentiment, racial thoughts, anti-national tweets, misinformation, etc., then Twitter has the right to remove those tweets and may permanently ban those accounts. Recently, an orange guy, no, not this one, yeah, this one, the ex-president of United States of America, got stunned when Twitter banned him from the platform for life. So where were we? Yeah, removal of tweets and deletion of flagged accounts. Hours after Twitter was pulled up by the government for non-compliance, Twitter blocked nearly 97% of the handles flagged by the IT ministry. Well, according to a Times of India report, of the 1435 flagged accounts, 1398 have been blocked by Twitter. At least good news for the government. But as for Twitter, the damage has already been done, and because of all this chaos, KOO platform got its momentum. The platform is very young right now, and till that there is no data breach. The user can display only those information which they want to display to another users. According to their app privacy labels, KOO might collect data including location, contacts, contacts info, search history, user contents like photos or videos, etc., which are linked to a user's identity. It might also collect user content and diagnostic reports or information, but it won't be linked to the user. In the domestic market of India, KOO platform can achieve the same popularity as Twitter, or maybe can get even bigger than it. But it would need to broaden its appeal and offer something that Twitter does not. Right now the trend looks positive and strong, and according to a Bloomberg report, KOO has gained more than 9 lakh users within a week, from Feb 6 to Feb 11. So in the near future, we can expect to see a steeper, more exponential growth in the next few months. Feel free to tell me in the comment section if you are going to use this platform or not. And please leave a like and do subscribe to my channel for more content.